In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or disable a product in Squarespace. If you've got a product that's out of stock, seasonal, or you just don't want customers to see it for now, hiding it is the cleanest way to make it unavailable without deleting anything. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, explain what each visibility option means, and show you how to confirm the change so you're confident it worked. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, click Dashboard to open your sites. Next, choose Go to Website for the site where your store lives. This opens the site's backend so you can manage content and commerce settings. On the left side, click Website if you aren't already there, then select Products and Services. This is your hub for all commerce tools. Click Products to open your full product catalog. If you organize items by type, you'll see categories along the top. Click Physical to view your physical product listings. This narrows your list so you can quickly find the item you want to hide. Locate the product you want to disable for shoppers. Hover over it and click the three dots to open the Quick Actions menu, then choose Edit. If you don't see the three dots right away, move your cursor over the product row. The menu often appears on hover. Clicking Edit opens the product editor, where all the details live. Inside the editor, go to the Organization tab. This is where Squarespace groups key settings like categories, tags, and visibility. Find the visibility section and click it to view your options. You'll see three choices: public, scheduled, and hidden. Public means the product is live on your storefront and anyone can view and purchase it. Scheduled lets you set a future date and time for the product to go live automatically, which is great for launches or restocks. Hidden removes the product from your store pages and search on your site and prevents customers from purchasing it. Even if someone has an old link, Squarespace will block checkout when the item is hidden, which is exactly what you want when you need to pause sales without deleting the listing. For this walkthrough, open the visibility options so you can see them, then select Hidden. If you previously had it set to public or scheduled, switching to hidden is immediate once you save. After you've chosen hidden, click Save in the top corner of the editor. Saving is essential. Without it, the visibility change won't stick. Now return to your product list to confirm the update. In the products view, you'll see a visibility control or filter. Click Visibility, then choose Hidden to filter the list to items that are currently hidden. Your product should appear here, showing that the change took effect. This filter is handy if you manage a lot of items and want to quickly review everything that's not currently live. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Hiding a product doesn't delete any information. Images, descriptions, pricing, and variants are preserved, so you can safely bring it back later by editing the same visibility setting and choosing public, or set a scheduled time if you want it to reappear automatically. If the item has been indexed by search engines already, it may still appear in external search results for a while, but the product page won't be available for purchase on your site while it's hidden. And if you rely on collections or featured sections, keep in mind those modules will respect the hidden state and remove the item from customer view. That's it. You've navigated to your site, opened the product, switched visibility to hidden, saved, and verified the status in your list. With this approach, you can disable any product quickly and cleanly and turn it back on just as easily when you're ready.